Hi, hello everybody. This is Mridula Bhaskar, bridal makeover expert and makeup educator, and I'm really happy to meet all of you after such a long time on my YouTube channel. But yes, I'm going to start posting some interesting content, so stay tuned, and we're going to talk about a very interesting topic today. What do I use as a bridal makeup artist in my bridal makeover kit? Part 1, it's going to be all about the eyeshadow palettes. As a bridal makeup artist, it's very important to have versatile products in your kit. So whether you're working on different skin textures, skin tones, the product has to blend really well. That's the most important thing. And first product is going to be from Prosh Beauty. This is the Showstopper eyeshadow palette. The colors on this eyeshadow palette is absolutely fantastic. You have a nice deep black, brown, purple, maroons, perfect for bridals, and you can see the pigmentation. This is one of my favorite shades. This is very nice for the reception look, and you can see how pigmented the black is. So a must-have palette in any bridal makeup artist. The next palette is used and abused by me, the Blend Away 2022 palette. One of the best palettes that has to be owned by any serious makeup artist. You see that there are a lot of shimmers for all the skin tones. So fair, medium and deep, you have all the tones here, and the shimmers, everything is really pigmented. You see the shimmers, it's got a nice, beautiful, luminous finish, and the mattes are also really good. So this is like a real must-have palette, and it's wonderful for any bridal makeup artist. Palette I'm going to show you is something that I recently added into my kit, but I've never been able to look or work without this particular palette. This is from the brand Macas Mia, and it is called Erotica. This is one palette which I suggest to all my students. You have warm tone browns, cool tone browns, maroons, purples, blacks. You have a lot of nice pinks. It's a beautiful palette, and you can see this is one of my favorite shimmer shades. Look at that finish that it gives. This is a green shade. Again, now greens and blues are in very good trend. This is the swatch of the matte, so you can see how beautiful and nice that looks. It's best to work with textured skin. Get this palette. The trend of bridal makeup has shifted from very heavy makeup looks to very soft and subtle makeup looks. So even if you do very little, it has to make a mark, and one such palette which is going to help you do that is what I'm going to show you now. This is my makeup story from Mercury, and this palette. So this palette is filled with dual chromes and multi-chromes. It's one of the best palettes that you can own as a makeup artist. You can see the finish. I use these as eyeshadow toppers, and it's one of the best purchases. I've had similar products which are really expensive, but this is around 3K and one of the best investments as a makeup artist for me. For the brides who are going into trends of colors, it's always important for us to have a palette with a lot of bright colors, and I came across this palette recently, which is from Fox Professional. You can check the color scheme in this. There's green, there's blue, there's fuchsia, there is pink, there is red, corals, gold. Everything which is colorful you will find in this particular palette, and the pigmentation is also really good. Just have a look at that pigmentation. Very nice product. It also has highlighter shades. Very nice product, and a wonderful product in case you're looking to do that colorful eye. Definitely a must. That was about the eyeshadow palettes in my bridal makeup artistry kit. This is the kit that I take exactly to work on my brides, and I can create any look with these eyeshadow palettes. But if you ask me one eyeshadow palette that you can invest in as a bridal makeup artist, I will definitely suggest the Macas Mia Erotica eyeshadow palette. It is the best. I do suggest it to all my students as well. So definitely a product that you can buy. Yes, my loves, we come to the end of today's video, and I hope this video was helpful to all of you. So we are going to give you a lot of tips, tricks like this on this YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and drop in a comment down below if you liked this video. What else do you want to see? I would want to know that also from all of you. So take good care of yourself. Love you all.